Hi. So I don't know whether what has happened to my connection. I think I lost my earlier video as well. I was trying to go ahead and post it, and all of a sudden it just went kaput. So I'm just gonna wait for Kultida to join me back again, or I might have to just go ahead and give them a call and see. I am outside my house because this is the only place that I could have gone. So just hang on a minute. I don't really know. I've lost the entire conversation, my earlier conversation, Kultida, because my network just went poof. So let me try and call her, okay? So just guys, hang on. Hang on. Let me try and call her. Yes. So I'm here. Outside again, like last time. I'm trying to go ahead and see where Our Lady is. Kultida, I can't see you. So that we can have like a quick chat. Hello guys. You guys don't have any questions. That's the entire beauty of it. You guys don't have any questions. Okay. So upset about this. And I'm standing right in front of my house, so there is a lot of vehicle sound and all of that, which we will have to bear.
Now you can see me?
Hello. I can
How are
see you.
you?
Last time I don't really know what happened to my connection. My connection all of a sudden
Yeah,
was very unstable. And I have no idea
exactly.
why that went ahead and happened.
It,
So I have
it was
lost
not,
that.
it wasn't me.
It was me. Thank you
Mm.
for
It
going ahead and
wasn't me.
telling me that. Okay,
Yeah.
it wasn't you. All right, accepted. I am standing literally outside my house because that's where my geo connection data comes in. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of vehicle
Okay.
noise. Okay,
Not a
so
problem.
I
Fair
had a
enough.
question for you. So, have you seen Indian cross dressers in Bangkok, Thailand?
Not really. Sometimes you just bump into them when you go out partying or something, but
Oh,
not
really?
like if you go to a particular place, like if you go to some
Ask
places, then
question
you just
038. There is a box there with a question mark. Ask over there. Press that button and write in your question so that we can highlight that and then we can ask, right? So if you have two questions, 0_38, please ask me that right away. Sorry. Sorry. Yes. Tell me, Abhijit. So you have gone ahead and seen Indian cross dressers.
yeah, you bump into them sometimes when you go out partying in Bangkok, but then that's it about it. I mean, I don't have any
So
interaction
what
much
do
with
they
them.
generally wear? Are they as like
I
what
think
do you
mostly
feel as an Indian? What do
Western
you feel?
Western
Huh?
attires. That's it. Western attires mostly. I've seen them wearing
Of
westerns
course.
only. I mean,
Of
yeah. I mean,
course.
what
I mean,
is?
they're going to be
I
wearing
mean,
Western attire.
one thing very important is that their makeup is a little shabby compared to the other. The series here in Thailand. I think we need
Right,
to
right,
just
right.
put the makeup up there in that level in their grade because they really look up to the series to be. That's how the perception of the
Yeah, go
country
on, go
is.
on. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what the
that they
perception of the
really, that's
country
one thing
is.
which I also go ahead and feel. Like a lot of times, what I have heard people say here in India to the cross dressers, they generally go ahead and say, Arey, nobody is going to bother, in Thailand. Just go ahead and dress
No,
up,
no,
put
no, no,
on
no.
whatever makeup that you want to go ahead and put on, and just kind of just go there. Nobody is going to bother you. So
No, it
that's the
matters.
kind of feedback, or that's what they go ahead and talk about. I don't really know how good that entire feedback, not feedback, but how good that entire suggestion is. I don't know how good that suggestion is. What do you go ahead and feel? Bad suggestion, good suggestion?
Nah, no, not a good suggestion because we generally us in Thailand we perceive them to be very good looking and we perceive them to be very properly dressed and with a perfect makeup which is not very loud depending upon the situation. I mean, during the day you will not find a cross dresser here to be very loud with a loud makeup. It's very subtle makeup, but in the evening maybe they'll be loud. But then again, their clothes will be matching to their makeup and all those things. So that way, I think they're very very particular about how they look here. Especially the makeup part is very very important here. I mean, they have to be presentable all the time. You understand? That's the whole idea.
Mm, mm, mm. So that means the suggestion that is given to them is really bad, because I think Thailand, anyways, I understand that they don't really care about, they don't really stare at you and all of that. But then even if somebody is
Yeah,
like
but then
really,
if they will stare at you if you are not properly done up, if you are shabby. That is what catches their eye. You understand?
oh,
That is
if
where
you're
you become
shabby.
shabby. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, so if you're shabby, that's gonna go ahead and catch their eye. That means they
yeah,
will look
correct.
at you twice and thrice. If they've looked at you
You
twice and
मतलब yeah,
thrice, means that you are not really up to the mark.
yeah. ये क्या लड़का है क्या क्या कर रहा है लड़का trying his luck or something like that. You know, like how it is. You know, like people really don't understand what you're trying to do because you're supposed to be the X factor in the society. That's how they will look up to them, you know.
So if an Indian CD is coming, okay, let me try and place this here. Okay, let me try. I'm trying a very dangerous thing right now. This is not a very good, what do you call that, backdrop. I'm just going to stand here. Forget it. I'm standing literally with my tripod in my hand and my phone and all of that. Let me try and get that tripod off. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Okay. So I'll ask you something. So if at all an Indian crossdresser is coming to Bangkok, right? Of course, they are coming to Bangkok with the idea that they want to dress up and go out en femme, dress up
Correct,
like, as a woman
correct.
and then go outside. So what is something that they have to keep in mind? What is something that they should keep in mind?
Come prepared. Come prepared. That is the most important thing. You have to be part of the group. You have to be part of the group. And you will be left out if you're not prepared, you know. That's what I'm trying to explain here. You cannot be shabby. You have to be perfect in all aspects. Be it makeup, be it your dress, be it your shoes, be it your wigs. Whatever you're going for, just bring the best, your A game out here. So that you be a part
Oh,
of the
really?
group. Yeah. You have to be a part of the group. You have to be a part of the crowd. So if you want to be that, you have to put up your A game. Otherwise, it's no fun. You'll be left out. That's all.
So should they buy everything from India and come there, or they should come there, spend one day just going ahead and shopping? Because
That
I
way,
believe that they will get.
that
What should they
that
do?
way, yeah, that way it's okay. If you bring it from there, it's okay. If you don't want to carry, you can shop here. That's not an issue. Absolutely, you can get bargains everywhere here. I mean, from wigs to the shoes and everything. You know that, right? You have been here. So bargains are
Yeah,
there every time, all the time. So you can go do it. Only thing is expensive is the makeup. That's what. There are certain makeup
expensive
which are like,
makeup. Yeah.
yeah, makeup is comparatively expensive than India. I mean, if you go to a saloon, like a regular saloon, that's okay. But if you want to go to a particular tea saloon, right? Okay, transgender saloon, tea
Makeup
saloon, it's called.
studio, like a makeup
Yeah, yeah,
studio.
yeah. Yeah, studio style, yeah,
Then
whatever.
it's going to be
And
expensive.
that's expensive. That's like, it'll cost you
I'll
about
come to that.
10
I'll
to
come to that
15,000.
question. I'll come to that question.
Hmm.
My, my dog is right behind me.
Yeah, say hi
My
to
dog
him.
is right behind me.
Hello.
Okay. Shh. Hello, it seems. No, as I said, I'm literally sitting right outside my house. Okay, hang on 1 minute. Okay, Shaurya, one. Okay, so they should come there, like properly, like ready, like their clothes and everything ready, or they should come here, waste one day, literally, because see, they will spend one day just shopping, and that's gonna waste their day because uh, they're not
Yeah,
gonna be in their en fem, right? So they're gonna be wasting their day. So it's better that they come prepared, well prepared,
correct,
right?
correct, correct.
And or what they can go ahead and do is they can just bring a pair, dress up, and then go do shopping for their other
Yeah,
days, right? They can do
yeah.
something like that. But what about the makeup? What if they go ahead and say, okay, I don't want to go ahead and do all of this. I just want to go to a place, and get everything done, like clothes, like should provide. Like for example, there is Queer Point in Russia, and there is Daphne Girls in Spain, and there is Makeovers by Yani in India. Okay. So these are the
Congratulations.
places, and these are the places where a crossdresser can just walk in
and you will get A to Z from wig. Like, we dress up the entire client and then we take them outside, or the client goes outside, okay, to party or whatever. Now, is there any place like that whether they can just go, they can just come empty handed and they just can
Yeah,
go
that's what I said.
and everything else will be done for them? Not necessarily that you have to have a name for it, but I'm sure you are aware. Are there places like that? Can Indian CDs go to a
There
place
are
like that?
no. Yeah, there are places for sure. They are called T studios or whatever they're called. You know, the places called T studios, transgender studios. There have T studios which are. If you go up to Sukhumvit side and all those places, you will have certain places which are actually advertising. So you can go dress up yourself and whatever they'll give you. You can hire everything. You know, the wig and shoes and everything. They'll give you the clothes and
Wow.
everything.
How much do you
Yeah,
think? Is it going to be, is it going to be
expensive.
cheaper? It's going to be
No.
expensive?
It's like 10, at least 10 grams, 10 to 15 grams, you know. We're talking about minimum.
Like,
I mean,
every time if somebody wants to
yeah,
go,
correct.
it's
It's kind of
going to be,
expensive. Yeah. It's kind of
it,
expensive. So that's what I was trying to tell
wow,
you.
it's
And
done.
if you, it's better you carry your stuff from there. You can do your local shopping here. Maybe you have your makeup girl or makeup person with you, so that you can do the makeup on your own instead of going to the saloons here. And maybe somebody who knows exactly how you want to be, because you come in a group, right? People generally come in a group, correct? CDs, they all come in a group, so they can afford to bring one makeup guy or makeup girl with them who knows exactly what do they want. Because
Yeah,
communication is another problem here, right? Communication, especially
yeah.
yeah, because Thailand is not very English friendly country. It's not an English friendly country,
1 minute.
even
Huh?
though
Shaurya. Yeah, it's not,
even
so it's
even
difficult to communicate.
correct to exactly explain what you want. Okay, you can get everything, that's okay, but then उसको समझाना
But
भी तो पड़ेगा ना. You have to
explaining,
explain. Nah, explaining is
but
very difficult.
explaining. So imagine, so even if they come prepared, one, you're saying they have to look good, they have to bring their A game. If they are not bringing their A game, they're going to get stares. They're not going to be, of
Correct.
course, like, look like as if you are, they're going to be stared upon. It's their, so it's better that they have their things with them. They should be learning at least how to go ahead and do their own makeup, I mean, back home, and then
Correct.
come. Or else they should get their own makeup artist, because here makeup is going to be very expensive. That's what you're saying. Like, even if somebody
Considerably.
wants to, because even if somebody wants to bring everything, but just wants to get their makeup done, it is still going to be expensive, right?
It's
How
expensive, and
expensive?
secondly, the communication. I don't know, but communication is another thing, no, that I was trying to explain. आप makeup
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
go
I
to a smaller,
suffered.
yeah, if you go to a smaller, cheaper place, right, which is advertising a smaller cost for doing a makeup and all, but then they will not be able to speak in English to communicate with you. Then you'll have to find somebody who
Yeah,
can
yeah.
speak Thai for you and then explain to them what exactly do you want. Or if you go to a place which is like a studio or something like that, it's going to be expensive. Who can speak English? But then again, the question is again that it's going to charge you double or some. So
That is going to be a little too much, no? That is too much. That's like an added expense, anyways, onto their pockets.
correct,
So it's very difficult.
correct.
So somebody went ahead and
Yeah.
asked this question, okay, that I'm going to highlight. How is the work-life support for cross-dressers there?
Work-life support is absolutely normal. People actually appreciate to have these people working for them, you know. They're supposed to be perfect
Oh,
people.
really?
Oh yeah. Especially marketing. Okay, marketing. You go to the car sales stores, all these places, big places, you know, like marketing, car sales, and all those sales girls in the stores and uh, all the major bartenders and all are supposed to be those people mostly.
Wow.
And they get the same
Wow.
benefits as everybody else. I think maybe they get paid more also. I don't know exactly, but I think they get paid more than the normal people like us, because they're
Oh,
more
wow.
efficient.
That's a very
They're
interesting
considered to,
fact.
yeah, they're considered to be more efficient than us.
They are more efficient? Really?
Yes, yeah, that's
Oh,
what they say.
okay. Have you had any transgender employee working
No,
for
no, not
you?
yet. No, because my work is very, what do you call it? It's
It
something which
doesn't
is,
really
yeah,
require
yeah, I
transgenders
need,
glamour.
correct. My work is very much computer based, sitting in, I don't need a face in the market, right? And my thing is, it's all export, so I have production and all those things. So I don't need somebody who's has to be a face of the company, right? I don't need somebody to
Ah.
be a face of my company, correct? I don't need an ambassador
Oh.
or something. So my work is very
Oh,
much
wow.
related to exports and production and things like that. So I don't have that requirement as such.
So see, a queer soul is saying that she would love to be in the marketing or sales in Bangkok. Yes. So,
Sure. It makes a lot of sense. It makes a lot of sense. Actually, they are really, really supposed to be the most efficient people to project, to present your product or to project what exactly do you want. They were the voice of the companies. Many companies' voice, they are the voice of the company. They're influencers here. You know that. They're big time
they're
influencers here. For certain,
influencers.
yes, for many products, they're basically influencers here. So they make a lot
Wow.
of major money they're making.
Fantastic. So what about the gender surgeries? Are there a lot of clinics over there that do the gender change, and how
I think,
is the scene there?
people
Lots?
from all over the world come here.
Of course, people from all over the world come in. Yeah, that is
No.
true. People from all over the world.
No. Especially for this surgeries, people from
Huh.
China, people from everywhere in the world, they come here to especially get this surgery. So it's cheap and it's supposed to be very good. So there are many hospitals who actually advertise that. I mean, you get visa based on your medical thing, and you come here, get your surgery done, and go back. It's like that.
Wow. Some lovely
Pretty
piece
cheap.
of information, Abhijit. Some lovely piece of information. So there are going to be some. That is okay. That this keeps happening. So don't really worry about that. Can somebody please report comments? Are you there? No. So that is going to happen as usual. So there's some lovely piece of information that you went ahead and gave. Is there something else that I'm missing out on that you would like to go ahead and throw light and let the viewers know? Because this is also going to go in the IGTV, where they're going to be later on that people are going to be viewing. This is also going to go to be posted on YouTube as well, so that if there is anything that I am missing out on, would you like to go ahead and add on to that, or do you think that we have gone ahead and covered up on a lot of topics already?
I think you've covered everything. Basically, that's just giving you a brief insight into the country, right? Yeah, basically, we have covered all the scenarios, and
Fantastic.
partying is not an issue here. You can party anytime, anywhere. So we have certain places which are like you can go anywhere. Actually,
So a
for
couple
us,
of things.
there is nothing
You
like
have to be
a
perfect
particular place that you
looking.
can go to.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, there are a number of places, of course. I mean, if you're dressed up well and if you are, just mixing in the crowd and all of that, yeah, then you can possibly go in anywhere. That's not really a problem. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Abhijit.
Take care.
It was wonderful talking to you. I shall post this and I shall let you know how the video is doing. Take care. Bye. I can let you go. Bye. Bye. Yes, guys. So there is just so much that we went ahead and, understood. I am trying to, I don't know why all of a sudden I am unable to, oh yeah, 1 minute, okay. Why am I not able to, report a comment? Last time I was able to go ahead and, report comments very quickly. This time it is becoming very difficult for me to, report comments. So I think, guys, you can, it is easy. Okay, I'm just blocking a couple of people. Okay, so as I said, I am right outside my house because my Wi-Fi, I don't know why this keeps happening. It's just very difficult. I have to figure something out. So if you guys have any questions right now, please ask me right now itself so that I can go ahead and answer it. Sorry, I'm just doing something more. Okay, so there are a couple of people who want to go ahead and go live, but there is nothing. I do not know what questions they have. So if you have any further questions about this, you can write to me, and I can maybe bring some other people, and we can answer the questions then. Thank you guys for watching. I shall see you guys soon on Saturday with a new guest. Okay, darlings. Bye.